Alright, so here is the best way on how you can create Mediafire download link. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. So first of what you need to do is just open up Google Chrome, and I've already opened Mediafire. So if you don't know, you just need to type in Mediafire like this. Once you type it in, you just got to go ahead and open up the link. And once you open it up, so I've already opened up Mediafire and it looks like this. But I'm on a trial account right now. But if you want it, so if you want something, forever, what you can do is just simply register now. And you can just get the Pro, Ultra, or Basic. You just need to sign up for the Basic and you'll get 10 gigabytes of active amounts of storage. But if you want more, you can just go for more and you can just log in. But I'm just showing you how it works. Once you've actually logged in into your account, it will look something like this and you'll have your folders and everything. But you just got to go ahead and press on your folder. And right over here, you can actually upload stuff on the folder. Now you'll see the option of upload right over here. Just go ahead and press on that. And you just got to go ahead and press on this plus. And right over here, what you can do is just find something that you would upload right over here. So for me, I'm just going to do this. And right over here, as you can see, it's a PhD. If I just press on upload, it's just going to take a few seconds to upload, but you'll see the option of copy link right over here once it's uploaded. So if you just copy this link, now you've successfully created a downloadable link. So if you press on that, it will look something like this, and anyone who has the link can download it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this briefly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.